Hi guys and welcome to IPD YouTube channel. My name is Alex and for today we have two Aston Martins. One is DBS and one is V12 Vantage, and both of them we have to cover with the paint protection film, and with DBS it will be transparent film with the pre-cut method, and for V12 Vantage we have to convert it from white to black with the black glossy colored PPF. And one car we're gonna do without dismantling any single part. It will be applied with the pre-cut. This car we have to dismantle all the parts because customer has a task. He wants to convert it completely with the door seals, with the back side of doors, and with every small details. And for this case we have to remove to get access to these difficult places. Right now both cars are prepared for apply material. Both of them, they are washed, they are polished, and right now we will proceed for preparing material. We will use plotter to prepare material for DBS with the pre-cut method, and for this car we will prepare material manually. Right now we are preparing material for Aston Martin DBS, and we are using pre-cut method. Behind my back is a cutting machine which is cutting material right now. In the software with the pre-cut templates, bonnet has some joints, and we took decision to install it with the bulk method to avoid any visible joints near the headlights. On this wall you can find the material, how it looks after cutting with the plotter machine, and we removed all film around the parts, and directly these parts we have to apply on the car. And it's cut properly with high precision because it's cut by computer. One of most difficult parts on DBS is a large hood, and to cover this we have to order special material because standard size for PPF it's 60 inches, and 60 inches is obviously not enough to cover the full bonnet, because if we start from here we don't have around 20 or 30 cm. And for this car we specially ordered material which is 72 inches to install bonnet without over tension. Hey guys, and today is day number 3. Right now we removed all parts from Aston Martin V12 Vantage. It was not that easy task because Aston Martin is built manually. Everything is fitted on the screws, and to get access to these screws we have really spent a lot of time. Right now all parts has been removed, and we are preparing surfaces. We're doing the polishing. Car has been PPF'd before, and we faced some imperfections on paint caused the manual application of PPF. Some parts has been cut by knife, and we have to rectify this before applying the black PPF because any imperfection on the surface will be visible. With the other one, with the DBS, what we've done, we completed almost the whole car, and we did it with the pre-cut method. It was a very complicated bonnet because the bonnet is more than standard size of PPF, and the form of this bonnet is complicated. Right now the next additional task we have about Aston Martin DBS, we have to replace the door glossy section to the carbon fiber, we have to replace the steering wheel to the carbon, and some air diffusers on front fenders and mirror caps. Right now we stay in the working area, and we work with the side skirts because side skirts has a factory PPF on it, and of course we have to remove that to provide a 100% the straight surface, and to apply the color film on it. And just have a look how the factory PPF is protecting your car, and how is the PPF in general protecting your car. For example, this piece of side skirt has been PPF'd only on this area. You might say it looks like a new one, but whereas the PPF ends, all of this area is heavily stone chipped, and as you can see, one color is different. Finally guys, all works are completed with those two Aston Martins. and car is prepared to release. Customers is coming soon. I wish you to enjoy the final result. In the next few seconds you'll see it. If you have something to say, please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Also subscribe on our Instagram, and see you in next video. Bye.